grew up skateboarding in Old Saybrook, mostly alone. Back then, just finding other skateboarders was so rare. You'd like hear bits and pieces about, oh, there's this kid 2 towns over. Everything I learned about skating was through magazines, videos, and Mixtape was the first skate video I owned, and really the first time I'd ever seen people skating in the city. Later on is when I met PJ and all the Coliseum guys, and I started going to Boston every opportunity I had. I mean, it was just like maybe 2 years out of my life. You know, I was like 15. It's hard for me to believe 20 years later people are still talking about the video we made. Drawing predates skateboarding for me and is my first love. What skateboarding did was it brought me into this world where style was not just fashion, it was everything, from posture and attitude to the city you chose to live in and the size jeans you chose to wear and the sneakers on your feet, you know, all of it. Skateboarding just put it all together in a way that really mattered to me for like the first time in my life. I had this really romantic idea of like, I'm gonna move to New York, I'm gonna study architecture, and I'm gonna still skate. Skateboarding's always been something that I balanced with something else. Even when I was in Tokyo for the Olympics, I would practice in the morning, sleep for a little bit, and wake up in the middle of the night and draw until the sun came up. For my signature shoe, I wanted to design something that was really simple. It takes from 80s basketball, 90s skate, the styles I grew up with and love, and combines that into something new. I love the city like it's like a relationship or something. All of the imperfections and cracks and has such character. The grid is what makes that feeling, like skating through Midtown with walls of buildings. But then something like the Guggenheim, where it breaks all these rules, disregards the grid, and is like a kind of entirely different set of shapes. In some ways kind of epitomizes what an architect sets out to do, like actually transform the way people move through and experience space. You know, that's exactly what skateboarding does. It changes the way you see everything around you, and suddenly there's this new imaginative potential that wasn't there before.